Hello guys, so now we will discuss on how to construct the truth table of our basic statement. Negation. So that's the sign of negation, which is does not. Negation is the opposite of the given mathematical statement. So one thing that to keep in mind, that if the statement is true, then the negation is false, and if the statement is false, then the negation is true. I have an example of a table. So now we will negate the P and not P. So if P is true, not P is false. And if P is false, not P is true. So that's how you apply the operation of negation in truth table. Conjunction. Read as and. The conjunction statement will only be true if both of the combining statements are true, otherwise false. In this table, we can say that conjunction is true only when both P and Q are true. If they are not, then the conjunction statement will be false. Disjunction. Read as or. The disjunction statement will only be false if both of the combining statements are false, otherwise true. In this table, we can say that the disjunction is false when both of the P and Q are false. If they are not, then the disjunction statement will be true. So now we will construct a truth table for not P and Q. Now let's proceed. So true and true is equals to true. So not true is equals to false. So true and false is equals to false. So not false is equals to false. False and true is equals to false. Not false is equals to true. False and false is equals to false. Not false is equals to true. So that's how you construct the operation of the tree statement in truth table.